is the Alfa Romeo Tonale, and it is not made for car enthusiasts. I know that's not what you were expecting, so let me explain. If you're like me, you were expecting this car to be fun to drive, lots of soul, and have a great engine note. I mean, it is Italian, right? This car is absolutely beautiful. It handles incredible, and it has a pretty decent interior. But the problem? This car has no soul. It's like a really beautiful girl that has no personality. Thanks to this hybrid 4-cylinder motor, it just doesn't feel like a true Alfa Romeo. And because of that engine, the driving experience of this car is just really subpar. It's really unfortunate. You have a great handling car. The steering is near perfect. You have these great paddle shifters, phenomenal brakes, but then you put it in drive and you're just disappointed. I mean, the sound it makes is very unpleasing. The car has a ton of road noise because it's sporty, and overall this car just feels like an economy car. It does not feel like it costs $60,000. I mean, where's that beautiful 4-cylinder engine that we had in the Stelvio? That was a great motor that inspired a lot of confidence. This car, I don't know why it's a hybrid. And the fact that this car shares the same looks, chassis, everything with a Dodge, it kind of takes away from the luxury experience. Honestly, if I took the badges off this car, I would think I'm driving a Dodge. That's not luxurious at all. Now, by the sounds of this video, you may think I don't like this car, and that's not entirely true. I actually think this is a great car if you don't care about the fact that it has a hybrid motor. Usually hybrids are great. This one just happens to be more economy than performance. If you just want a car that looks really cool, which it absolutely does. This car is beautiful, hands down, especially in this gorgeous Italian green color. If you could get over that fact and you just want a cool looking car that feels sporty and handles really nice, this may be the car for you. But is it really worth $60,000? I don't know. You tell me. It claims to have 285 horsepower. It feels like 150, to be honest with you.
Jesus.
What the f are these geese?